everyone, so welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my mini Helix in the black olive print. I absolutely love the mini Helix. It's so cute. It's perfect for a little purse when you have no kids, and that's exactly how I'm going to be showing it with you guys today. So you do have a front zipper pocket. And in this pocket, I only have a few things in the little mesh pocket here. I have some chapstick, eye drops, some tweezers, and I love the little lining of this bag. So in this zipper pocket here, I have everything that I would basically have in my small set piece. So I have a coin purse from the Target dollar spot. I have some gift cards, insurance cards. There is a bag pocket here, and this is where I normally would keep my phone. I have a 7 Plus, and it kind of sticks up at the top, but it doesn't bother me. So this is what the main compartment looks like. I have quite a few things in here, and in the main pocket I have a JUJUBE coin purse. I just have some band-aids and Tylenol in here. I also have some wet ones. I have a hand sanitizer, Honest Company spray, my charging bag. So that's everything that I have in the main compartment. In the mesh pocket, some tampons. I also have an eyebrow pencil, concealer, and mascara. I also do have my Sensible Mama pen gem, but this is basically it for what I carry in this mini Helix as a purse for myself without the kiddos, and I've gotten compliments on it and I love it and I can't wait to get more. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you for my next video. Bye guys.